To increase the chances of making your short video go viral on YouTube, you can follow these strategies. 1. Engaging content. Create captivating and unique content that grabs the viewer's attention within the first few seconds. Create content that evokes emotions, makes people laugh, or triggers curiosity. 2. High-quality production. Invest time in good production quality. Ensure that your video is well shot, has good audio, and is visually appealing. Poor quality videos may deter viewers from sharing your content. 3. Optimize video metadata. Use relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. This will help YouTube understand what your video is about and show it to the right audience. 4. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create eye-catching and visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your video. A catchy thumbnail can entice viewers to click and watch your video. 5. Share on social media. Leverage the power of social media platforms to promote your video. Share it across your various social media accounts, relevant communities, and groups. Encourage your friends, family, and followers to share it as well. 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and engage with your viewers. This fosters a sense of community around your content and encourages viewers to share and interact with your video. 7. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers or content creators in your niche. By creating videos together or featuring each other's content, you can tap into their audience and potentially gain more exposure. 8. Trending topics and challenges. Stay up to date with the latest trends and challenges on YouTube and create content around them. Participating in popular trends can boost the visibility of your video and increase its chances of going viral. 9. YouTube SEO. Utilize YouTube's SEO features to increase your video's discoverability. This includes adding relevant and specific tags, using closed captions, and optimizing your video description. 10. Advertising. Consider running YouTube ads to increase your video's visibility. YouTube offers various advertising options that allow you to reach a wider audience and potentially gain more views and shares. Remember, while implementing these strategies may increase the likelihood of your video going viral, there's no guaranteed formula. Ultimately, focusing on creating high-quality, engaging, and unique content should be your priority.